This video there is more light on the flowers of Samanea saman which are now just blooming on this tree, and we are happy to see these flowers, and very soon the entire tree will be decked with these flowers of rain tree or Samanea saman. It's a very nice tropical tree. It's not Indian, it was imported in India, and now as an avenue tree it is very popular, and no maintenance is needed after a few years. And there were at least 150 Samanea saman trees in city of Panji itself, but many of these were uh, cut for several developmental projects like road widening, constructions. Along Santa Cruz, this one Bambolim to KTC bus stand, there were more than 30-40 Samanea saman tree which were destroyed during the widening of the road, the present one which links KTC bus stand with Bambolim Goa Medical College. All these trees are gone. So Samanea saman is perfectly suited to conditions in Goa for avenue this one plantations.